Have you been looking for an affordable, all-brick, new construction home in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a model home new construction walkthrough tour of the 1709 floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Bracken Woods subdivision in Piedmont, South Carolina. Now, if you are new to our channel and you want to know everything about living right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them as they buy their dream home and sell at the highest price. And we would love to do the same for you too. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And all of our contact information are in the description box below, and we'd love to work with you. All right, so we'll take a look at this 1709 floor plan right here in Bracken Woods subdivision. And like I said, this is all brick home, four-sided brick. The 1709 is actually the size of this home, and it's also the name of the model. As you can see here, it's the brick home, different color, garage door here, and there's some awesome incentives on this home right now, which I'll tell you a little bit later. So we'll take a tour of the home. All right, as you come in, you got a little bit of a entryway here, front porch. Luxury vinyl planks in the main living area. You've got the coat closet here and open floor plan. Okay, and we'll go check that out in a moment. All right, so let's check out this side. And you've got the second bathroom here. All right. Like I said, you have the luxury vinyl plank in the main living area, and then in the bedrooms you have carpet. And you can see here is the closet for this one, and it does have a walk-in closet and a little small walk-in closet, and another bedroom here. Okay. Check out the closet in this one, not quite as big as the other one. Dining room here, you got the tray ceiling in the dining, really high ceilings here, which really opens up this space really nicely. Okay, let's check out the primary bedroom. Linen closet here. Okay, and as you can see, you have the tray ceiling in here as well. All right, let's check out this closet. It's the primary bedroom walk-in closet. And as you come in here, double sinks and shower there. It's like a 5-foot shower with a little bench and another linen closet. You got some pull-out drawers in the bathroom here, and these are soft close drawers as well. And same thing in the kitchen, they do have soft close drawers as well, but we'll check that out in a moment. Water closet, you got the window in there. That is some natural light. And the open floor plan. Got the nice size island here, and space for bar stools. And then you got the breakfast area here too. So not only do you have the formal dining room, you also have the breakfast area. All right, and the stainless steel appliances, gas range, subway towel backsplash. Like I said, you got the soft close drawers there as well. Okay. Soft close cabinets, built-in microwave. You got this single bowl sink here, and pantry. Okay. And you've got the laundry room here. And this goes into the garage, 2-car garage, water heater, automatic door opener. The access to the attic is right up there. Okay, we're going to check out the outside. So this home here right now, the builder is offering some really cool incentives here. I'm going to tell you about the first one is the entire neighborhood, all the homes that they have left right now. So there are about 11 homes that are available in this community right now. They're all ready to go. They're offering 4.99% interest rate if you are doing a government loan. So FHA, VA, USDA. This is a USDA eligible neighborhood, so you can get 100% financing through USDA if you're not VA, which is 100% financing as well. But those do qualify for the 4.99% special interest rate that the builder is offering right now. So which saves you a lot. So you're looking at just under $1,800 if you're 100% for principal and interest payment on something like this, which is listed for a little over $340,000. All right, that's the current list price as we're recording this right now. And they are offering some special incentives package too that I'll let you know about the rest of them as we go through. But one of them on this particular home, so there are some special homes in here that they're offering some really special interest rate, which is a 1-to-0 buy down. And what that means is the first year, your interest rate will be at 3.99%. And then from year 2 through 30, it will go up to 4.99% and basically stay there, right? For the remainder of your 30-year loan, which is amazing for this home and a handful of other ones that are in this community, which I'll tell you which ones those are. All right, let's continue with the tour, and then I'll let you know about the special incentive that they're offering, very limited time incentives that they're offering on this home right now. Okay. All right. So, and just to get our bearings back right here. And the blinds are built in. Oh, by the way, the microwave is actually vented to the outside as well. So, if you're like me that cook with spices and does make the house smell like a fish fry, it's nice to have those so you can have all your cooking smells going outside. All right. So, like I said, this is a 4-sided brick home. And you've got a little small covered patio area here. I mean, obviously, if you wanted to, you can extend that out. If you built one from scratch, which you can't build one from scratch in this neighborhood because they don't have any more lots available. If you did build one from scratch with this builder, you can extend your patio during your construction. Okay. You've got the architectural shingle roof on these homes here, and obviously you've got gutters on them, and this is all 4-sided brick. All right, so there is another builder in this community that's already done with their construction. So Adams Homes just has the remaining properties that they've already built here that once they sell them out, the neighborhood will be closed out. Okay. So this neighborhood, it's about 7 miles from downtown Greenville. Right now, the current promotion that they're doing, which is limited time, it depends on when you're watching this video, they may not have this promotion anymore. But right now, if you bought, they actually would include either you get blinds throughout the house, the 2-inch blinds, or you can get the washer and dryer included in the home. Okay, so not only do you get the 4.99% interest rate, which for this one it qualifies for that 1-to-0 buy down, which is it starts at 3.99 for the first year, and then 4.99 from year 2 through 30. But you also get up to $7,000 towards your closing costs as well. So which is, great incentive there. But if you happen to not be doing a government loan, you're not doing an FHA, VA, USDA, then you can get the $20,000 flex cash that you can use to take off the price. You can use part of it to pay your closing costs, part of it to come off the price, however you see fit, okay? Really awesome incentives that they're offering right now, right here with Adams Homes at Bracken Woods subdivision. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.